it's working. Go ahead.
Okay, today, wake up. Today, we did always learning. This is what I got. But that's mine.
Where's the other one, Josie? Oh, Josie. Okay, can you just do the report, honey, without the tissue paper?
Okay. The wake always did what did, and we need to erase that part. But the dolphin was no. But today, and always, and today, we are giving it a bath.
Oh.
In the ocean.
A bath in the ocean?
At the beach.
Oh, okay. Oh, Josie's got a book. What is that book, Josie?
The Bible.
The Bible.
Never wear because God is always by your side.
That's right.